This is a review for the electric spin scrubbing brush. So right now I have mine on a pole, which is great if you're trying to get higher up areas or if you don't want to bend down. You can also make it a handheld device as well. And then it comes with so many different tips. So right now I just have kind of your basic scrub brush on there. It's got these style tips, like that one's a little more pointed, which is great for corners. And then as you can see on the box, it does come with 8 total cleaning brush accessories. So I typically, when I'm cleaning the bathtub, I'll spray a little bit of bleach in there, power this on, and I don't like to bend down, so I'll just use this to kind of scrub some of those areas that are a little bit deeper down in the tub. It does have a few different power options as well. So I don't know if you heard, it has 3 different power options. High is very high, so I typically use it on medium or low, but this is amazing. It has so much functionality. You can use it for really any room in the house that you're looking to get a little bit of a deeper clean.